Welcome to the class, students. Today in this session we are continuing the analysis of bivariate data, that too when they have given the standard deviations and the arithmetic mean, how to calculate the regression equations of x on y and y on x. And this is the first problem. Estimate the value of x. Estimate the value of x when y is equal to 20. When y is equal to 20, and here they have given the values. This is AM and standard deviation 25, 5, 30 and 4. This is the data they have given. Okay, in this they have given the AM. AM is nothing but the arithmetic mean of x and y and standard deviation of x and y. Here we have to estimate the value of x when y is equal to 20. For this, first we have to calculate the regression coefficient. That is, we know that, and here they have given this value, that is correlation coefficient is 0.8. So correlation coefficient they have given. So x bar is equal to 25, y bar is equal to 30, sigma x is equal to 5, sigma y is equal to 4. See here, this is our x bar, this is our y bar, and standard deviation of x is sigma x, it is 5, standard deviation of y is sigma y, it is 4, and this correlation coefficient they have given, it is 0.8. Using this data, first we have to calculate the b of yx. So b of yx is equal to correlation coefficient gamma of xy into sigma y divided by sigma x. Since this is b of yx, y and x, and this in the ratio y by x only. So this is 0.8 into next is we have to calculate regression equation of, we want to find the x value, it is xy. So gamma correlation coefficient of xy, sigma x by sigma y. This value is 0.8 into sigma y, it is 5. So 5 divided by 4. So this is 1. So b of xy value is equal to 1. Next, since this is x and y, so regression equation of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to b of yx, y minus y bar. X value we don't know, x bar is 25 is equal to b of xy. B of xy is 1 into y minus y bar is equal to 30. So x minus 25 is equal to y minus 30. So x is equal to y minus 30 plus 25. X is equal to y minus 5. So here we have to find the value of x. They have given y. So I will substitute this y value in this equation. So y is equal to 20 minus 5. So x is equal to 15. When y is equal to 20, the value of x is equal to 15. This is how we have calculated the regression equations when they have given the arithmetic mean and the standard deviation. One more problem. Next, estimate the value of y when x is equal to 40. When x is equal to 40. And here they have given the values like this. This is AM, standard deviation. This AM is equal to 25, 5, 30 and 4. Confusion. $35, 5, 50 and 8. Okay, and the coefficient is 0.8. Next we have to write the givens. AM of x bar, that is x bar is equal to 35, y bar is equal to 50. Standard deviation of x, sigma x is equal to 5, standard deviation of y is equal to 8. First we have to find B of, since we want y on x, it is yx, it is correlation coefficient of xy, sigma y by sigma x, this is 0.8 into 8 by 5, this is 1.28. B of yx is equal to 1.28. Next we want regression equation of y on x. So this is y minus y bar is equal to B of yx, x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is 50, B of yx is 1.28, x minus 35. So y minus 50 is equal to 1.28x minus 44.8. So y is equal to 1.28x plus 5.2. So here we want to find the y value when x value is equal to 40. So substitute that 1.28, x is equal to 40 plus 5.2. So y is equal to 56.4. When x is equal to 40, the y value is 56.4. In examination, you may get this type of problem for 5 marks also. Okay, please go through this one. Next, let's solve some more problems based on 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks problem now we are solving. Okay, if B of xy is equal to minus 3 by 4, B of yx is equal to minus 1 by 3, find R of xy. So we have a relation, this R of xy is square root of B of xy into B of yx. So plus or minus, this is square root of minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 3, this is 0.5. This is the relation we are having for correlation. This is correlation coefficient, these two are the regression coefficients. This is the relation we are having. In that relation, if you substitute the values, you will get the correlation coefficient. Next is another problem. B of xy is equal to minus 7.3, yx is equal to minus 0.11. We have to find correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is equal to plus or minus square root of B of xy into B of yx. So this is plus or minus square root of minus 7.3 into minus 0.11. So this is minus into minus will become plus. This is equal to 0.8961. Next problem. B of xy is minus 4 by 3. Yx is equal to minus 2 by 3. Find correlation coefficient. So correlation coefficient is equal to plus or minus square root of xy into B of yx. So this is plus or minus square root of minus 4 by 3 into minus 2 by 3, and this is 0.9427. 9427. This is how we have calculated B of correlation coefficient using 2 regression coefficients. Okay, next one. Here correlation coefficient they have given 0.6, sigma x is equal to 10, sigma y is equal to 15. Find B of xy and B of yx. Both we have to find. Since in the solution you just go through this, this is B of yx is equal to correlation coefficient into sigma x by sigma y, and similarly B of yx is equal to correlation coefficient to sigma y by sigma x. So this is x by y, so it is 0.6 into 10 by 15, so B of xy is equal to 0.4. Next, this is 0.6 into 15 by 10, so this is 0.9, so B of yx is equal to 0.9. In examination, if they will give the values, we have to calculate any one of this, whatever they ask, that will be for 2 marks. Okay, one more problem. This is 0.4, sigma x is equal to 12, sigma y is equal to 15. Find B of xy and B of yx. Already we know that B of xy is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. This is 0.4 into 12 by 15, and B of xy is equal to 0.32. Next, B of yx is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x. This is 0.4 into 15 by 12. So this is 0.5, B of yx. So these two are the problems based on 2 marks. If they are given the correlation coefficient and the standard deviation values, either they will ask for B of yx or B of x on y or y on x, whatever they will ask. Any one they will ask for 2 marks. Okay, this will be very important concept for 2 marks. Thank you.